Good morning, good evening, and good bathroom break. I mean, let's be honest, I don't know what time you're watching this, or, more importantly, where. I'm here today to show you how to stand out when applying for jobs by utilizing an infographic resume. This is what they look like. Pretty cool, right? Way better than these. Now, since you're a savvy audience, let's just skip ahead a little and discuss what not to do with your own infographic resume. First, please don't inundate the hiring manager with too much information and dense, visually depressing paragraphs. Say too much, and this happens to the reader. Second, use simple charts. Define simple, you ask? Bar charts. Do it. Bubble charts? Heck yeah! Line and pie charts? Nope! We're not savages. Next, keep it to one page. No one wants to read your resume version of War and Peace. And with that, it brings us to an obvious rule. Use a professional email address, not a casual one. No employer is going to consider an application sent from partyrocker2011@hotmail.com. Woo! Party! Side note, Party Rock Anthem by LMFAO was my wedding song. On to colors. Pick a scheme and stay there. Your resume looks like this. You are doing it wrong. Don't let your resume look like the guys from LMFAO. And furthermore, this brings me to a don't. Don't forget to proofread your resume! You can't claim on your resume to have strong attention to detail or an effective communicator and hold yourself accountable, but you misspelled communicator 2 times with 3 M's. But that's like telling your date you like to cook and then they look inside your refrigerator and it looks like this. And lastly, we arrive at our final don't, and that is, don't forget a call to action. What do you want me to do with this beautiful infographic resume? Whew! Well, that whole video sequence was fun to make. You need to list your contact information, relevant social accounts, and encourage the potential employer to reach out to you with any and all questions. Now that concludes this video, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Follow us on our socials and click the link in the description to check out our blog. And until next time,